The police cat has a very happy family. Today his mission is to catch the evil terrorist monkey. Meow meow meow, meow 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 meow. This is the monkey who leads the terrorist group and plans to destroy the city. Meow. Meow meow. The cat leads a group of police preparing to arrest this group of terrorist monkeys. Meow meow monkey escaped. It even left a warning note on the door of the police headquarters. The terrorist monkey took revenge on the police cat by coming to the house and taking away its baby. Oh, how sad. The kitten's gone forever because of that terrorist crime. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, MCO for you. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 MCO. Everyone go forward and yum, 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 yum. Monkey was caught and paid for his evil actions. Condolences to the police cat family. Yum 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 meow meow meow. MTO5 for you. MTO5 for you. The beautiful cat was happily surfing on the beach when she slipped off the board and drowned. Help me, luckily, the beach rescue cat jumped into the ocean to save the beautiful cat. You agreed to marry me? After a long time of waiting, the cat couple walked together happily as they went. Oh no, I've got this. About to give birth. Husband cat drove the car as fast as possible to take his wife to the hospital, but the traffic jam was so bad that the car seemed undrivable. very happy and live happily together. Today, the father cat took to the stands to box with the mouse. Cat father is very good at boxing, so he quickly took advantage. Mouse takes the stimulant and begins to counterattack the cat. The mouse didn't play nice, so it won and seriously injured the cat. The father cat was seriously injured and was taken to the hospital, leaving the kitten crying alone. The kitten is determined to practice hard every day to avenge his father. 3 years later, the kitten is now a beautiful, strong boxing cat. With strength and determination to avenge my father, the beautiful cat has powerfully defeated the mouse. The zombie pandemic is happening globally. Daddy Cat is trying to get the kitten to escape from the zombies. Dad Cat is trying his best to fight zombie. He was bitten and is about to become a zombie. Even though the father cat had turned into a zombie, when he saw the kitten, he still loved the kitten very much and tried to help the kitten escape from the zombies. The kitten hiding on the roof of the truck accidentally fell onto the road. The kitten successfully ran away into a corner. He saw the father cat trying to drive and lure the evil zombies. Zombie cat Dad then drives a big truck. Oh my god! The father cat bravely crashed the truck straight into the zombies and sent the zombies into the deep sea. Even though the zombie father cat and all the zombies were buried in the deep sea, the father cat still held the kitten's photo tightly and did not let go. 10 years later, the kitten has grown up and become a brave soldier. He still remembers his father's brave sacrifice and is always looking for him. Oh my god! The father cat that became a zombie is still alive. He rose from the bottom of the sea. Great! Dad cat and kitten found each other, hugged each other, and cried with happiness. The kitten leads the father cat to the army, where the father is injected with serum and begins to return to normal.